Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make dark chocolate at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: raw cocoa beans, sugar, and optionally, a small amount of extra cocoa butter for a smoother texture. You'll also need specialized equipment like a grinder and a chocolate refiner. Choosing high-quality, ethically sourced cocoa beans is crucial for achieving a rich, complex flavor in your homemade dark chocolate. After gathering your beans, the next step is roasting. Spread your cocoa beans on a baking sheet and roast them at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. This develops their flavor. Once roasted, let them cool completely. Then, crack the beans and winnow them, which means separating the crunchy cocoa nibs from their light, papery husks. This step is essential for a smooth final product. Now, it's time to transform those nibs. Start by grinding your cocoa nibs in a food processor until they form a coarse, oily paste. This is your cocoa liquor. Transfer this liquor to a chocolate refiner, also known as a melanger, and let it grind for 12 to 24 hours. During this process, add your sugar and any extra cocoa butter to achieve a silky smooth texture and develop the chocolate's full flavor profile. The final steps involve tempering and molding. Tempering is crucial for a shiny, snap-able chocolate bar. Aim for a working temperature of 88 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Once tempered, carefully pour your liquid chocolate into your chosen molds. Let them set completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator. Then, simply unmold your beautiful, homemade dark chocolate. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.